Good morning, everyone. Good morning. And we're off to an early start, I understand, for London. I'm an East Coaster in the U.S., and we have a number of people here from the West Coast, so we're used to those 5 a.m. starts. But I wanted to say good morning and welcome to this is the second annual European Advanced Therapies Investor Day. We began this program actually last year in Brussels, and because of the success of that event and the interest in the sector, we have decided to grow it and bring it to London. My name is Maury Ruffin. I'm the Managing Director of the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine, and I hope most of you had a chance to peruse the program, and you'll see that we put together, I think, a very compelling program for today. We have 14 companies making presentations over the course of the day, and we also have, and we will feature several focus discussions on key therapeutic areas in advanced therapies involving thought leaders, key opinion leaders from many of the leading academic research institutions and medical centers operating in this space. This is, as I said, we have continued this event as the second installment of this Investor Day, but it's really the first meeting that we are doing as a combined organization. So over the past year, the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine and our European counterpart, the Alliance for Advanced Therapies, got together and decided to combine their membership, which I think everyone involved in both organizations thought was a very good idea. And the reason for that is we understand that we all have interests both in the U.S. and Europe and really throughout the world, and we think it's important that we're able to speak with one voice together, and that this will ultimately make us more successful as an industry and as an organization. This event is also a companion to our U.S.-based event, and for those of you who've been part of the Alliance and our activities over the last several years know that we introduced an Investor Day in New York a couple of years ago, and to great success. And this is very much a continuation of that. We will continue this type of programming throughout the course of the year because we feel it's very important that the key stakeholders in the space, mainly the investors, also prospective corporate partners from large pharma and the biotech community understand the progress that we're making in this sector. So this is really an important part of that. Of course, the real value in this is understanding the context around the work that is being done in this space and the challenges both on a commercial scale, the technologies that are being brought to bear around the work that we're doing in this space, and also the clinical advancements that you're going to hear about today. That's really one of the main things we want to do with this program today is be able to talk about what's actually happening in the clinic, and I think you're going to hear that from the discussions in the focus sessions later this morning. No company, I think, really understands this better than GE Healthcare, and GE is our co-host of this meeting and also the lead sponsor. They've been a great partner of ours as we have been building the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine, Alliance for Advanced Therapies. And it's really through their leadership and commitment to this that we were able to put this program together today. So we're really delighted to have them here, and many of the key people within their organization are joining us here for the program today. At the same time, we're very fortunate to have the support of the UK Catapult, the Cell Therapy Catapult, and you're going to hear from Keith Thompson here in a minute. But they've also been a very important partner of ours and supporter of this event. And I think many of you are familiar with them and recognize the very important contributions they're making to translation in the sector and really playing a leadership role in the UK and elsewhere throughout Europe and the world. I want to mention our lead bank sponsor for this event, Bryan Garnier, as well. So this is an investor meeting, and we really wanted to have a bank that is committed to this sector, and they were very eager to join us in doing this. So you're going to hear from members of their leadership team today. And then lastly, I wanted to thank Stephen Bates, and the UK Bioindustry Association. So BIA is an organization I've known over the years, dating back to my days working for Bio. And I really want to commend them for their commitment to the sector and understanding the key role that advanced therapies is playing in the healthcare sector in the UK. So you'll see from the program today that we've selected 3 therapeutic areas that we think really, in many ways, hold the greatest promise for near-term success and advancement in the sector. So we're going to be talking very shortly about oncology, mostly cell-based immunotherapies. We're going to be focusing on ophthalmology and then also cardiovascular disease. And the whole purpose of this, again, is to help people understand the specific work that is being done clinically in this space. And so we'll have a number of key people as part of those discussions today that you will hear from. I just wanted to make a few housekeeping remarks just so you understand the flow of the day today. We're going to be here in the morning. Actually, we're going to be here in this room throughout the course of the day for the sessions and the company presentations. Lunch is on the 5th floor, and I think you may have seen the elevators that are next to the registration area, so you'll be taking those up there. And then for the company presentations, we have breakout rooms that are on the 2nd floor. So because we're on a tight schedule today as people speak, we would like, if you want to follow up with questions, to join them in the breakout rooms afterwards so we can move on to the next presentation.